Hey everyone, this is John Scowen from Microsoft's Mighty South region, and this is the first video in a series I'm going to be doing on a digital transformation for the car sales and car buying process. So what I did for today was basically a customer sends in an email inquiry on a car, and I kept it very simple where the customer will simply ask for information based on a stock number. So there's the email and it's being sent to the administrator mailbox and asking for a stock number. It says, I'm interested in the Ford Explorer you have for sale. And then the Power Automate automated worker will process that email, find the information in Dataverse, and then send a quote back to the customer. Now, note that I did create a step-by-step PowerPoint that explains exactly how I created the flow. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to run the flow and we'll see the results. So if I click Save and then Test, and then I'll send the email and we'll see the results. Okay, so we see up here that our email has arrived, asking for information. And I come back to the flow and we see our green check marks, which means our flow has run. Now let's take a look at my email and see if I actually received a quote. Oh, there it is. Here's the quote you requested, and let's take a look at it. And we see that all the information's been filled in, the date, the salesperson, and the information on the car based on the stock number. So it's a used Ford Explorer. Here's the VIN and the mileage, and the asking price is $38,500, and it says the price is plus taxes and fees, less any positive trade equity and or cash deposit. So that's a really good first step in that a quote is automatically generated and sent back to the customer. What I'm going to do as time goes on is the next part of this series, I'll actually have a new lead created in Dynamics CRM and update all the information in Dynamics CRM. And maybe we'll have the customer respond and say, well, I'm still interested in the car, but 38,500 is a little high. And we'll have the customer give an offer, and we'll have the Power Automate flow go in and negotiate the offer. The idea being we'll take it all the way from the initial inquiry all the way back to closing the deal. And then eventually what I'd like to do is create a Power Virtual Agent that will enable a customer to negotiate in real time back and forth with the Power Virtual Agent, all the way from the first inquiry through the deal close. So thanks for your time today, and stay tuned for the more videos coming soon. Yeah, that was really bad.